You're quite good at that, dodging all my questions. Wrap your arms around my neck. Such a decent price, earning my affection. Now there's no
Hi my loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, I'm Zina. Today I'll show you how to make this super easy but modern French twist. So begin by selecting our top section and make with it a ponytail. Make sure to hold it with one hand, and with another one we want to loosen it a little bit.
we both know it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the
Now you want to grab the rest of the hair, making sure everything is nice and smooth. You want to twist it upward like I'm showing, all the way down, and then you want to hide the ends inside of created French twist, but leaving out a twisted loop like I'm showing. Then you want to cover the ends using the hair from the twist like I'm showing here, and grabbing some grips you want to fix it in place. You can use bobby pins as well. Make sure to fan it out, fix it well in place, use some hairspray if you need. Also, I decided to accessorize it with these cute beads to give it a more romantic vibe. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this modern French twist. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys so much. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye!